Okay, so here we are to do the user story. User should exist.
Right.
I'll share my screen right now, editing the Agile Adventures. No, not that one. That one. Okay. So here's the title, such, and such. Okay. Here's our description and our lo-fi. Man, I feel like I'm having a dial-up.
Right.
And there's the picture.
So we need a scenario, right? That'd be step one.
Yeah, definitely. So, not tab, can't tab. So the scenario I'd say is
Attempt to log in.
Yeah.
Because we don't have like actually logging into an account. That's not what we're doing right now. Right.
Well, I was wondering if we could quickly do that, because all I really need to do is shoot up a flash and put the ID in the sessions. That's all it really is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not like it really needs to interact with any other page at this point. It's just I was just thinking, save it to sessions and you're officially logged in.
It's true.
So I mean, even before that, maybe want to try and view login page. So we might have to add a button to the home page to do so.
Yeah, definitely.
And then attempt to log in. I think that's that's login. And maybe do the opposite. Unsuccessful login.
Can we have an unsuccessful login if there's no account that we're checking it against?
We just have the scenario be the password is incorrect. Because we'll create like in the background here.
Yeah.
We'll create some accounts. So given user account, we're gonna have to completely make this from scratch, but actually scratch wouldn't have the right word. We're gonna have to take what we do for movies or how we do with events and make it work for this. So given user account, username, let's use you, T model.
All right.
One with password hello world. Done. So that's a good starting point there.
Yeah, definitely.
And then also actually probably want to do first is, given we are on the home page, and user account model. All these capitals make sense actually. Probably doesn't. Okay, user account. And we follow log in. Oh no, not then, when. And we should see log Login one word or two? I always screw that up.
Doesn't matter. Just pick one and stick with it.
That's key. Now let me see if I can get this out. If login is one word, then it's one word.
I think we should do. You should see username because
One word. Okay.
Because you see login on the homepage,
Oh, damn good point.
so it doesn't really help us here.
User. And we should see password. Cool. So that's the first scenario.
Well, we have username in the lo-fi. So if we're
thank you.
following that, that's what we'll see.
We'll do.
Yep.
I think it's one word. I realize now.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Sticking to it. Okay. So again, it's when we follow login. Keep doing tab and it keeps screwing me up. And we fill in that's why we just did this with last homework. It's really helpful.
Yeah.
So we can grab a lot of things from there. So it should be username. We might have to change this because we might have to like put user underscore name or and user underscore whatever the other one is. But we'll figure that out. Team Model. 4.
Just do password.
Yeah, it's good enough for now. Then world. Then I do the same thing pretty much. Then we should see welcome team model.
Oh yeah. Okay.
If we were using like some like third-party sign-in, I'd say maybe we should like your actual name because that's like how you could do that, but that's the future.
Yeah.
And pretty much the same stuff except for 2 changes. Fail, just the heck of it.
Yep.
And incorrect password.
You should put in login unsuccessful, just for like we don't need safety, but for safety purposes, you're never supposed to tell someone whether or not the password's correct or the account.
No,
you just say login unsuccessful.
Well, cool. So I think we got our scenarios down.
Yeah, definitely.
It's funny is we don't even need any actual resource for this at all. I don't think, right?
Well, it's the user resource, right?
Well, I mean, this isn't even to generate this page. Oh yeah, we do. You're right, because we need to fill in
to check the login.
Well, this one doesn't even check it. This is just the view. The first scenario is just to be able to see the login page.
Mm-hmm.
The rest, we won't pass this until we actually have the resource made.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, so I'm going to save this. I'm going to grab the link. I'm going to shoot this to the group real quick for that.
Yep.
The sooner she can review it, the better. But we can continue without having her review it. Is you are okay. So Um, okay. I'd say ready. So I have my old one here. Do you want to use yours or mine? Because obviously we're just gonna pull, fetch, and pull, so it's gonna be the same either way.
Yeah, if you're comfortable with yours, that's fine with me.
Okay. Let me add you. I started trying to type into the or click on the presentation I'm giving you. That wouldn't have worked. So I'm assuming this is it.
Team at all one. Epic.
Cool. Okay. So get pull down, get fetch. Pull. Oh, we got an issue. Please move or remove.
Contract.
Oh, it's yeah, because I just ran the test. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Then force it, and then db/test.sq. That's right. Light 3. Isn't that right? db/test. S. Oh. Oh, still not working. SQ light.
That's exactly it.
You know, I think you showed me something. Oh, there we go.
Boom.
That's right. I gotta remember that I can do that because. Oh no, it did not match. It's still not working. What the hell?
Try another pull. Yeah, now try and remove. Damn, that's weird. Please move.
Well, how about if I do a revert or not revert checkout? Get this is getting ridiculous.
Check out in the file structure. See if you can find them. Yeah, just get rid of it.
They're not even there though. All I have is seeds and.
Test SQLite 3. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Thank you. Delete. Delete.
And then log a couple folders down. Test.log. Nice. Let's branch it.
Whatever, fetch. Okay. Get dash branch. No, dash. What's a quick way? Check out that. Yeah, that's right. Dash B, and then it's add users. Oh, can't have any spaces in this version. Okay. Cool. So yeah,
Looks good.
It's good to me too.
All right, so step 1 would be adding in the Cucumber feature. I think we need a new feature file.
There we go. It doesn't really show. I just maybe users for now. User for now.
Do user underscore login.
But I thought we usually do. Okay. But I think I do login. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. So user underscore login.
And just copy and paste from Pivotal Tracker.
Yep. It's literally the whole thing.
Yeah.
Anything else different? Oh, feature. That's something I'm missing. And the feature really is name. I did not like that. User should exist.
All right.
Wow. Yeah.
So let's save that and run it.
I should have bundle install without
Yeah.
production just to be sure.
True.
Oh, add in a space in there. Cool. It's not gonna be in that. Okay, probably should only run my test because it looks 15 undefined. Oh, I'm losing the ability to do this. So, one thing I try to do actually to keep us from having this whole detach other. Oh, well, that one worked. I guess if you're not looking at it, that solves the issue as well. But
yeah, I'm not going to touch the
okay,
the shell.
So that I can see my choices for eating food.
No, it looks like ours is the first one that doesn't work. We follow login.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I think it's when I follow login.
So why does it not seem to be like a new feature though? That's what's confusing me.
It's probably just confused.
It doesn't even show the given we on the home page.
I say we just fix the undefined and see what happens.
Okay. So undefined step, we file login.
It's I follow login.
Ah.
Really, all of these we's should be I's.
Great. That actually makes sense. I realize let's just run our own test only. That's better.
All right, so what's undefined? I are on the home page. I am on the home page.
Yep. So that's makes sense.
Now we got some fails. The homepage. We definitely have something. Go to routes.
I might be this issue, but yeah, let's just let's look at it, I guess, right?
Paths. That's what I meant.
Paths.
The bum's homepage. That's what it should be. All right.
Hey, 3 passed right somehow. I don't know where they got 3 from. Oh, probably because it's the first one of all 3.
Yeah. See, undefined step. Add user account. Makes sense. Change and I fill in to and I fill in the following. Run that again. Good. You should
What's the
see.
difference here? Ah, it's still yellow. Cool.
We need a then I should see. Welcome, Team Odell.
A lot more blue. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. It wasn't as painful as I thought it could be.
No. So add user account. Team Odell.
So in this case, we need to either edit the one and make it be dry or create our own. So if we go to the step defs, no, someone has an event steps.
Steps, yeah.
We probably want to make our own, maybe.
We could just copy and paste. They have one here, don't they?
Yeah, very similar, just different wording. So
Given the following exists.
so you want me to keep it in events or make a new one? I think make a new one.
Make user steps.
Then I'll bring this over. Then a whole bunch of editing.
Keep the top one.
I should use the word exist. And this should be, instead of event, be user.
Mm-hmm.
And element still works just fine though.
Yep.
Element, yeah, I made it generic there. So I mean, in theory, actually, we could change the other one to just look at this, but I'm cool with not doing that. So
we can just get rid of all this for now.
yeah, is there ability to right click and or edit and make comment? Here we go. Thank you, God. Should see all events I should not see. Yeah, that's not it. And then fill in. That's the only one I think. I think that's in web steps actually.
Yeah, fill in is a web step, so that should work as it is.
Yep. Without. Oh, you know what I found though? I don't know if it matters in this case here. I don't know if we use it yet, but that should be steps or step, not actually when. They'll keep giving us a warning. I found that on the homework this week.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It may just be also the version of Ruby and all that kind of stuff. So once we get the warning, that's when I'll actually care about fixing it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Till then. So
let's
yeah,
run the cucumber again.
Did I save it though? I did not save it.
Save that. We actually need to change the features. change it in the background to given the following users exist. I think that was how we said it.
I don't think I have given, but I'm pretty sure it should work again as well. Oh, we didn't do it for a single person. I see why I'm confused.
All right.
It's the same though.
Put it in a one-line table.
If I do user, yeah, probably, and password. I want to make this probably name because it's the user. Yeah. And then so that should work. Yep.
Perfect. We need to make user
Exist.
Yeah.
Okay. So, did you guys have to create an RSpec for the model just to when you were just creating it?
No, we didn't do that.
Okay, I didn't think that made sense either.
Yeah.
I wouldn't think that would make sense. There's no RSpec to say, does it exist?
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I'll let you take over if you like.
Sure. All right.
I'm just gonna go over here for that. I'll go to your view. If you want to share your screen, you can just watch what you're doing.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry.
No problem.
Shit. This funds head into the DB. Take a look at this migration.
Okay.
Open up another migration. Oh wait, no, that's not how we do it. It's a command line thing, I think. Delete that.
Dave, you want to look up how you did it before?
Generate migration.
So bin dash slash rails generate migration. Oh, but that's only adding up.
Yeah, we can edit it once we generate it.
Okay. I mean, sure isn't like it's different from creating a resource for the first time.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Rails generate migration.
Yeah, I think I found a good one here. Yeah, there you go.
Create table users. Name. Text. Password. Can I make a username or name?
Just name, I think is good. What else do you think we could add right now? Just want to add the karma and things like that? Just
No.
do early? Okay.
I think that's the point of migrations, is you can add things as you need them.
Oh, that's a good point. Okay, cool.
So that'll be good. You don't think name's gonna have any conflicts because there's two resources with it?
It should not be a problem because it's whenever you look for it, you be doing user dot name. So it's a method.
Okay. Now, rake db migrate. I think that's a thing.
Yeah, might have to do
Create a
which
table
one?
users.
Oh, no, you got it. Nice.
Status. Both up. Guess we'll add this one.
Oh yeah, we always want the down ability.
Oh wait, I already migrated it.
Don't worry. This is just how to remove it later. So just change the drop table to users.
Okay.
This is only needed when they actually want to drop it. Yeah.
Cool. Table users.
Yeah, and remember, actually, you can do another migration. It doesn't matter. It'll either do what it needs to do or do nothing.
Right. Okay. So that looks good.
Let's do a rake routes to see what it looks like real quick. Is there any user stuff there? No.
No. What is rake? I think rake routes needs the model to generate stuff. We didn't make a model.
Oh, I see.
So we'll do that next.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Yeah.
User.p.
I think it's as simple as that, isn't it?
Yep. And this is what generates everything. Not our routes.
Did you save it?
Yep. Maybe we need a controller too.
Maybe just at least
Just keep going.
file at the very least.
Throw a cucumber in there just to see what happens.
I want a cucumber for. Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, we can create users. That's new. No, can't follow.
Cool. Maybe we want to just create the file for the controller, or wait till later for that. Wait till later.
Yeah, let's do our fully test-driven development, and we'll just make a login button because that's what we got to do right now.
Sounds good. Oh, but we'll need a rake routes though to do that. Really, now that I realize it.
Yeah, I mean,
it'll look for it. So
I'll just make the view and see what happens.
sounds good to me.
We're looking at index. Guess I'll just put it right next to this one for now.
Yeah.
Login. And then what path are we going to call it? Not create. Would it just be
Yeah.
index?
It's not show. That's a good
No.
question.
Yeah, we'll just call it
Not
user
easy.
path.
Oh yeah, because it's like it's index kind of maybe.
Right. Because we're never going to have an index of all the users. That's
Yeah.
not for people to go to.
Only like, admins maybe, but yeah, that's what they did. I'm curious what they did for the homework. So a typo at the bottom there, and if you go to their views, they have a crap load of them.
Undefined user path. Let's make a user path.
Where'd you end up putting that? Oh, never mind. Oh, you were in the cucumber again?
Yep. Now
Gotcha.
we need the controller.
Views, admin, accounts.
New file. Users.
So on the homework for this week, they did it as accounts. Obviously, user is the same thing for us, but slash login. So they made a yeah.
Oh,
I'm not sure exactly how that works. So I'm going to take a look at the view while I can.
okay.
You keep doing what you're doing.
Sure.
Accounts. There we go. And then login. So they have to add this themselves then? I have two out for a good reason. Here we go. So in the home they have accounts and then the ability to do like a slash action.
Mhm.
So I think it might be a custom.
Custom route.
Yeah. Forget how the heck to do that though.
Do we have a route file somewhere? Is that a thing?
We should, I think. No, I'm looking at the wrong one.
Config, yeah. Got routes.rb. There.
Oh, we have an added resource here. That's the reason why it's not working.
Just make user. Do we even make? Yeah, we do make a user resource.
Exactly. And that should let us have our RESTful routes.
Yep.
Well, that's what we have. Man.
Jupyter. No route matches show user. Showing a user? What does that mean?
And it sounds like there is assuming we want to do a show. What we name again? It was user underscore path. Yeah, that's show.
Oh, it would be users for the index.
Actually, it's user underscore index underscore path. But I think we should make our own, a different one instead. I think we should do a login.
Okay.
Because none of these RESTful ones really, apply. I'm going to look at the homework to see what they did for it. Because I mean, we know exactly what they did, and I think it should work. So that was again in the config, right?
Yeah, routes is in config.
Okay, my God, there's a lot in here. So under account, if you want to look at my screen.
Yeah, you want to take over real quick?
Yeah.
I'll watch.
So here's the routes for the homework. I'm just going to search for the account section.
Yep.
Only time it says accounts. Oh, wait, oh, here it is. Huh, bad URI bug? Really? Oh, this is a slide bar issue. So, the way I got here to begin with was I brought up what I finished for it. I mean, actually, what you see here, you can get just by doing the setup.
Mm-hmm.
And so I click admin there, and this is the login setup.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm already logged in as that guy. Huh, that's so confusing. I don't know a way to log out. There is no log out button. That's so weird. But I shouldn't need to do anything else there. And then accounts login. That's what I'm looking for. But what I realized was they have the login page here. They're also using ERB instead, but that shouldn't really matter for us.
No.
And then I brought up the routes here. I did a rake routes earlier, which I'm going to show you here. Found the accounts section, and it looks like they're doing it by exactly. Yeah.
Yep.
And it looks like that's this thing here, but I don't know. It's kind of isn't obvious to me. Slide bar there. And there is no other account here. No,
that's definitely all they have for it. Can you go back down to it?
Yeah. Oh wait, this is routes. Yep, right here.
All right, I'll look at it on my screen. Oh, just kidding. I don't have
Yeah, if you do want to find it though, you can look at my user.
Yeah. So match action 2 I. Yeah, that's a weird one.
I mean, this all makes sense to me,
Mm-hmm.
but this I have no idea how the hell this works.
Yeah.
Now the W, what does that stand for again? That's making into a not word. I always keep thinking word, but it's not word.
I have no clue. I've never seen that.
Oh, let's go. An array. It's an array.
Oh, okay. I got you. For each of those.
Oh, okay, I see. So
Yep.
yeah, each one of these. Oh, okay, that's not that bad then. So really all we need to do is just account.
Just replace I with accounts. Do the same things.
Yeah, but you don't need to match even, I don't think. You know, we could just literally copy and paste this and just remove the extras and replace account. I'm for that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just realized, isn't there actually an RSpec test though for routes? Probably
I don't know.
should be. Yeah, it's hard to say.
I don't know RSpec too well.
Let me look at another homework I did with the professor. We did a lot of RSpec in that. It should have an example of that if need be. That's all bums. So close that. Acceptance, homework unit test. Then our spec was here. Movie controller, helpers. Here we go. So here's what we use to. Oh no, that isn't it. That was that stupid thing we couldn't figure out.
This is all for the similar movies method.
Yeah.
We're not doing anything like that. Let's check out the controller spec.
Yep. I didn't think it would be in controller, but yeah, we'll try. So find the same director.
No. Yeah, I don't know. I think cucumber testing would cover it, but once we're done with this, like when we submit it, we can also ask the professor
Yeah.
if she thinks we need an RSpec test.
I mean, specifically for the route. That's all I'm debating right now. So, okay, let's just do that.
Because all these
Oh,
are
wait.
like methods.
Expect at movie to receive destroy. I think that right there is it.
But we don't even have a.
But I mean, there was destroy. But that's what I mean is that's the rake. That's the route. Destroy is the route.
Is it really?
I think it is.
That sounds like an active record method.
You might be right. Yeah, I think you're right. I mean, you look at user pound destroy.
Oh, yep. No, you're right. There it is.
It's an action. They expect it is you expect the instance
To receive
to
the
receive action. Yeah.
Okay.
But maybe we can ask her for help in this later because it's kind of confusing. This is the expect movie to receive find. Okay, find was the method, like I think you just said, and with ID and movie because there was no find route, right?
No, definitely not.
Yeah, so Yeah. Well, we'll worry about that later. I'm just gonna shut this down here and this one too. I can easily view it, not get confused. And then here we go. Okay, so we're just gonna make this a little bit users or users. Okay. And so for users, even though there's only one of them, it'll add all three things, which I think it makes sense.
An index of users. It allows actions and allows action with ID.
So I think that'd be like,
Yeah.
I mean, one might not be necessary, so we can probably just comment this guy out for now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this, just like how events index is there, this will do it for users. Yep. So with nothing, it's the index.
Well, we should comment.
Otherwise, that.
We should comment out the index also, since we're not going to be using it.
That's a good point. Don't have to need it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do on the rake routes and see what the heck it looks like. Get rid of this. Bring this back up.
Do not use match.
Okay, they had something special they had in that one.
Try doing what they say. They say replace match with get.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait, for these tests, get theme, get match. I want to say the beginning part. Oh, there's also the rails.application.routes.drawDo. I think we need to add that as well. Oh, so never mind. Okay. This one. Nice. So we added the.
So now our action is /users /action. Let's make that user.
Huh, that's weird. I wouldn't expect that. I'm just curious why that didn't work with the other one properly. But I'm cool with it. Oh, wait. No, this should be users. That's why.
Okay.
The one up top, because events is events. Well, I mean, that's not the real reason why, but associatively. Okay, cool. So now we should be able to do a
user /login.
Well, it should be a RESTful way to do this, I thought. All these here. How did they call for it? And this is the routes. Here's my RSpecs. Did I ever get to that one? Here we go. Here's the login one, but that's not. Oh, you know what I can do? Oh, no, that's not going to do it for me. That's if I go to the index page of the homework, so what this guy is here under the homework assignments, that's the index of think user. I don't want that anymore. Yeah. Authors. That's not it. This is the index. Is there any index in here at all? This one's from articles index. Huh, that's rather. Oh. That's part of admin. Oh yeah, duh. Of course it was admin. Yeah, but that's actually the. Okay. I mean, that is one of the things we really shouldn't try to use, just the hard-coded one. We should be trying to use the RESTful way, but it's always a little confused what the heck, how it's supposed to be done here. So,
Why don't you do? Could you do like users path slash something else? Like do RESTful for the user's path and then add your own on the end.
I'm like new underscore users underscore path is for users new. So I'd say let's try login underscore users underscore path. That's my.
Okay, yeah, try it out.
Oh, do we have the view actually called login though?
No.
Should change it to that then. Yeah, that's what it needs to really be in the end, or to even have a chance of finding it. Here we go. Apps, views. Oh, wait. Do we even create a view?
No.
Oh, we probably should make a view for it to be able to find it. That was not what I wanted. That really should all it needs to have this work, because okay. Yeah, it does make sense. A get does make sense because we just said users index is a get. So okay. Is everything saved? I'm missing something. No, I don't know. I just saved, but I saved something. don't know why I just ran that again. I think cucumber, right?
Yeah, try it out.
I lost my cucumber test. Cucumber features slash users. User login feature.
Undefined login.
Yes, I broke the homepage one.
So,
Oh, I have another idea. Don't know if it's actually the correct way yet. Where the heck is it? Too much stuff. That's what I wanted, actually. Dang it.
show. How's it getting a show? Oh, because of the index. Yeah, so it's looking for the index view.
Oh. I mean, I shouldn't help it, but I was looking for the action view temple and apps views events. Huh. So why is it looking in apps events?
Probably because of the errors with the event view. Like that's the file you're in right now is an event view.
Oh, okay. You know what? No, I didn't have anything else by accident. Good. We do a diff on this thing. What's the difference between this and what it used to be? Diff app use events login. Not login. Index HTML dot handle. No, still the error. Oh, dot get diff. No difference other than that.
I'm looking at custom pathing
Mhm.
right now.
Good idea.
You need to use :AS to provide a path name. So go to the where you wrote get, and on the end of it, you write AS colon. The
Sorry.
name of the one.
Here.
All right, yeah. Let's go all the way to the end of that. do space colon AS, space colon login underscore user. And now you should be able to use login underscore user as the path name.
Nice.
Oh no, colon goes after the AS.
Oh, I think that's what you're saying. You mean that, right?
Nope. AS colon space colon.
Oh, as. That's still, it's supposed to be like as, isn't it?
Yeah.
I need a comma in there as well. I don't know. Wolf doesn't like something here. 1 minute. No, still have syntax error.
Yeah. You want that.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Do I think I want the comma? Yeah, it doesn't like it otherwise.
Keep the comment.
Okay. So let's do a Ray Crowd and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Nice.
Login underscore user. Perfect.
So login underscore user. You know, I just realized too, really. Could we make this be I?
Just login I.
Well, because it's based on. I mean, we can get rid of all the extra stuff, but the reason why
Yeah. Gotcha.
it is not like that, though. Oh, because that's put in quotes. I need the pound sign because I'm dereferencing it.
Yeah.
Damn it. Okay, I am willing to say we're just going to do users dot. Oh wait, is it do each get? Just get users action. User. Yep.
Okay, you have an I in the get users. You gotta replace the I with users.
Thank you very much. And I'm gonna get rid of this guy.
Yeah.
Just gonna for now. Edit, comment, and I'll change this back to what it should be. If this doesn't work, we'll just go with that. But this doesn't. Oh, because I have to call this. Weird. So this has an unexpected error.
Unexpected semicolon? Or is that a colon?
That's a semicolon. Expecting a parenthesis.
Put it looks like you gotta put users / action in quotes.
Oh wait, it's still doing the. It's still doing this part. They get.
I don't think I have any errors on mine.
Okay. Then starting it again. But sometimes I think those things You know what? I don't think it is. I don't think it's like this guy.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the way it's supposed to be, though, because it's supposed to be F action.
If we put quotes in it.
Oh, yeah, good idea. Okay. Good idea. Seriously. Users undefined for I also just realized really this was meant to be like restful. Oh, come on. Undefined local variable users. Could be this guy. 2i though, that was correct. Well, we had it working before, so
Yeah, let's go back to that.
agreed. I don't think there's an uncomment capability. Unless it's great. Okay. Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Okay, see, let that continue.
Yeah.
So back to here, back to what it used to be. And cucumber. Huh.
Now.
Each? Where the hell is the each? I did a diff just to make sure I didn't screw this up somehow. But
Probably the one in routes, I'd imagine. This is the only each we put in.
yeah, good point.
I thought it's an active action view error. In index.html16. 16 at events.each do.
Oh.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, I'll try the diff again. Yeah, still no. The only difference is that last line supposed to get changed, deleted, and then we recreated it plus the one we have.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah, you're right. Let's think of the indexing here. So that puts it in the body. And that should be okay then.
Yeah, no, it's fine. I think there's just an indentation error.
Okay.
Run it again. Now we have unable to auto load constant users controller.
No, I still have the method, the each thing. Where'd you get? Oh, sorry. I was looking too low.
Expected users controller.
Oh, we don't have one. It doesn't even exist. Sometimes, not for this one though. Oh, yeah, we do. Wait, it expects users underscore control.
That's what we got.
I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the right spot. My fault. Do we need? Yeah, you already have 7. Oh, up here, dude.
True.
Was events, right?
Yep.
Okay. Actually, that whole indentation thing.
Missing template users index.
Even though we're not trying to go there right now. That's weird.
Are we giving it an action? I don't think we ever gave it an action. The URL.
Yeah, never is actually able to find the. So it was just admin here. I'll let that but that's HTML though. So the rake routes for that guy was, yeah, it's admin instead. Is admin advanced, admin scenario root.
Doesn't that go in the params hash? The action. Yeah, this is all still the index, isn't it?
Huh.
Like account slash action still brings you to the index, I'm pretty sure.
I see what you're saying.
And then in the index, go to the controller index function.
Sorry for the homework.
Yeah, for homework. The accounts controller.
Oh, that makes sense.
Redirect to action. Yep.
If user count is 0. So let's just do a redirect because that's what we're trying to do right now, not trying to do a setup.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. So what I've realized is in this case, I'm actually already signed in. I'm just re-signing in though for admin privileges.
Okay.
Huh. Well, in any case, when we start doing signups, we'll add that later. If user.count.0, I see. That's right. Because that's when you first made it, you had to create a user account.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll figure that out later because that's not what we're trying to do today. So we're redirecting it to action login.
All right.
So let's say want to show.
Yeah. Do we need to make a login controller method? Did they have that in the homework?
No, there was no. It's all under accounts. I'm looking right now at the accounts controller, and there is the there's verify users, verify config, generate passwords, log out. All this stuff's here. Sign up and log in. There's a def login here.
All right, so let's make one of those.
Oh, I think I see what you're saying now. So we think like it defaulted to
Yeah,
show.
maybe. It might have.
That makes sense, yeah, because it does make sense. So this time it should finally go to our correct correct one. Now it's still looking to show. You save that, right? And that's what else I did in login. It did a lot in login.
Why don't we just skip making it index?
So you're saying
Just have it be /sign in.
sorry.
Is there a way we can do that?
You mean login?
Yeah, log in.
Routes. No. And we could just put in the non-restful route in the view. So yeah, the view, instead of having login underscore users underscore path, you could just do the actual the actual path. So it'd be
All right.
/login sorry, not /user /login.
Try that out just to see what happens.
Okay. I'm gonna comment out we had. That's not commenting out. How do we do a comment? Is it dash? Yeah, that's what it is. --. Okay. So that should be users. Still going to show.
Yeah, so the path isn't what matters. There's something else.
I'm gonna undo what I just did.
Yep.
So it used to go to log to index, and then even though we told it to go to login, it went to show.
Correct. Let's put something in our login controller. Let's make a view.
For what though? I mean, we have a users login view.
Yeah, let's do users login. We have one?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
That means nothing in it.
Nothing in it. Yeah,
But oh, okay. Don't think that would matter, but yeah, you want to do that?
sure.
Oh, that was me actually. I think taking something from like the new would make the most sense.
Yeah. Header.
I just noticed it has some agile stuff here. Oh. Did you just type events path again?
Yeah, because isn't that where it goes back to? We want to go back to the events index once you log in.
Huh. I didn't think that's what that was for, but
What would it do? I mean, look it up for me while I do the rest.
okay. So I thought that was only meant to pull the information out of the instance. So that's why I don't think that one. Oh, so I think you want users, because what does it pulls the information that we need to use is what I think. I'm pretty sure it does.
Okay.
Not plural.
Did you put this pound sign in there?
So I don't know where's your
Index.html. It's giving me a syntax error here.
Yep, you're right. I think that's left over from when I was trying to undo it. I did it earlier. Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, cancel makes sense for events path for sure.
Interesting show.
You know what? I'm just gonna add it just
Okay.
to see what the hell happens. Okay, it exists. So my curiousness is now. Yeah, it's not actually not showing it. So what it shows is. Wait, username in bums. Text defined is username : in just the words bums, but it's probably because there was an exception. Yeah.
Why are we getting an RSpec error?
So this is, I'm pretty sure, the same. I think it's still trying to create the show. And it's not. No, we do have one, so it's not a huge deal.
And I should see. Oh, what's our cucumber story say? Then I should see.
Huh. Okay.
It's giving us the undefined method when. What was your fix for that?
Undefined. Oh, really? That's what it's doing?
In one part, yeah.
Okay, so that fix was should be step, and then in parentheses. Where is that part that's in the
Web steps 82.
82? Yeah. So then you guys got to put in parentheses after that. I think though it was lowercase. Oops. Oh, it did that. Yep. Please leave that end bracket. Thank you. That should do it. So a quick look again.
Unable to find username.
Oh, that's much better.
Expected to find username. No, I don't think it's ever creating the right view.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah. The URL is user/login, but it's just giving us an empty view, which I'm assuming is show. Show user. Yeah.
That makes sense. So why does it keep pointing to show? So it's a right.
Did you give it an ID somewhere? I think I remember you doing that. Control there.
I'm also going to try events path instead of event path. I may have led to some wrong path there. Intended. Anything here? No, same as I guess you. I have a look at that view. Oh, this needs to be the RESTful route as well. Needs to be login user path.
Oh, okay.
The reason I got that from is from the homework. They say, I mean, they're using ERB, but its form tag action is login.
Mhm.
So I realize it should be the same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that making a difference. Have you got rid of the redirect?
Yeah, I just want to see what happens.
Okay.
For index.
Oh, I think I have another idea. That should make sense. So, let's say you're doing the redirect to login user path. Did you give that a shot yet and see how it works?
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Okay.
So that's just keeps giving it to the index.
Redirect more than 5 times. Check for infinite redirections.
Yeah. I'm gonna try changing the route.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking actually. So I don't think we should have maybe it be /action.
Yeah.
I think it should be /login.
Yep. User.
Yeah, thank you. I think you're on the right path now. You're getting us on the right path.
Login to
I think all the rest could be the same now.
users login.
I'm just gonna copy and paste that for you real quick.
I don't think we need anything else.
I really don't think you need a as you.
No. Save that rate routes. Yeah, now it's just login path.
Wrong one.
So like it's not connected to the user anymore, but I'm all right with that.
I just ran the cucumber.
Yeah.
Did you mean login _path login _URL? I
What?
I don't think that.
I need to change a bunch of stuff because we totally changed the route.
Well, before, yeah, I see what you're saying. I don't think we want a new though resource of login. That doesn't make sense. I think login should be a part of try the. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Users, actually, yeah.
Login, that sends us to login. Landline froze.
If we don't do the format false, it requires some kind of. Well, that may not be necessary though. That may not matter. Okay, never mind. Okay, now it's gonna be users path. The users path.
Right. Now users underscore login refers to users / login. Perfect. Don't need format.
Users underscore login. The only thing is the action is user for some reason. Why the hell is that?
Because that's like I. Now it's better.
Okay. Oh, I see we did it. Thank you. Okay, I've updated the index. I'm gonna run the cucumber. Okay, now the resource isn't working.
The resource? What do you mean?
Either run the cucumber or take a look at my screen.
Database. Oh, that's probably because I did it at the same time. You run yours again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's still taking us to the wrong view. So let's check out controller. Login. Is login supposed to automatically take us to the view, to the login view?
So what I noticed was, here we go. The admin one goes there, but it would normally so many windows. So the accounts controller was the one that would redirect to login every time from index.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you had the thought, I think, earlier of utilizing Index as the login.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to maybe give that a shot?
Let me just think about this for a little bit.
Okay. Oh, you know what? So
What up?
she showed us something, I think, before on how to do something similar. One minute. A website I had talk about nested routes.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, that's not it. That's how you deal with many to many, right?
Not sure. Yeah, it's not even going into our login controller. It's going right to the show controller method.
That's weird.
So that's our problem. What's our form look like? Submit tag.
What happens if we delete the show?
I already did. It just gives you an error. Because right now it's going to the show controller method,
Okay.
which is automatically trying to show that view.
Well, I mean, like if you delete the show controller method, or did you mean?
It's going to look for that method.
Okay, thank you. That makes sense. But this redirect should work. I would have thought. And the funny thing, we can redirect it again.
The specified form method is get.
You're using get. I wonder if the indentation could at all matter. Shouldn't. You get the end, so it shouldn't matter. Anyways, oh, I found one. The find same director is a route.
What was that?
So if you go into my homework for acceptance unit test and the routes,
Yeah.
this is the way she showed us how to do it. With that specific resources, instead of having it be comma, we can just do restart that with another resource, and then do it and do member do get, and then have it be the name of that, which would just be login.
Mm-hmm.
And that should be everything we need, because if you look at it, you see I tried doing it non-rest, like is below movies / So let's give that one a quick shot. So I'm going to do another resources, do member get login and end. Oh, member do. Again. So it's login user. No, that doesn't work though. That's gonna require users /ID /login. We don't want ID. Yeah, because find same director is requiring an ID. Okay, you know what? I feel like it's similar way, but different.
I don't see why users, when we give it the user's login path, it takes us to the show.
Yeah, I
That doesn't
agree.
make sense to me. Like it's the same verb. They're both using gets. But that doesn't mean they should have an issue.
Yeah, because the action is login. I mean, that's what the controller action is. So it should be going to that particular action of the controller. I never understood. Oh, you know what? No login. Users : the pound login. Problem with this one here, though, is it requires an ID input. Oh, wait, if we don't use it, does it matter?
I don't know.
Let's see what the heck of it. Oh, now it's login user. 1 minute. So no routes match action to login controller users. Missing required ID. Now, isn't
Action login? But that's not true.
exactly. I mean, I changed the route part of it,
This-
and it might require an ID now, but the whole no routes match doesn't make any sense to me. I'm gonna look more into the whole this is member do. Maybe it's not member do. So this is application. Oh, here we go.
Do you want to put this on hold and see if we can meet with Rose tomorrow?
Maybe, but I just found something that might.
I'll be right back. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. All right, so how's it working?
Well, I found this, which was someone promising. Where's the chat window? Here it is.
I don't know what any of this means.
I'm gonna try one thing real quick. Wait. It's not due.
So, like, I have the feeling we're just going about this the wrong way. Like, just our setup of resources. I'm
maybe-
sure there's just some standardized, like, efficient way to do login pages and resources.
You know what? We probably could just Google that too.
It's something we'd never figure out on our own, doing it this way.
You might
So,
be right.
I think we should take a break.
Yeah.
I'll put a message in the group to Rose.
Okay.
We can ask her, or just tell her we're having some trouble, and wondering if there's some kind of standard way to handle the resources for login pages.
I think you're right. I think that makes a lot of sense.
See if she gives us a simple answer, or if she wants to meet. I'd be happy to meet anytime tomorrow morning.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, me too. I can meet tomorrow morning.
That's what I think.
I think you're right.
Okay. So
Okay.
good
What's
work
that?
until we hit this problem. We were doing good.
Yeah.
So I'll talk to you later then.
Sounds good. I'll stop broadcast.
Yeah.
What time about tomorrow do you think? We'll wait till we hear from her, or
Yeah, whenever Rose is good. I'd be free from like 9 to 2-ish.
I'm pretty good with that too. You said you're gonna post it for us.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you.